Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage your account as well as everything related with users, invoices, payments and so on. So if you log into your account and look under the Storeino logo, you will see that it says store account. In our platform we have two types of accounts. We have the store account and the manager account. So let's say we want to create a new store. All you need to do is click on this icon here on top of the page, go back to manager, and then it will take you to this page. And also, as you can see, it changed it to manager account. So in this page here in the dashboard, you can manage the existing stores as well as creating new ones. So let's say that we want to create a new store. We click on here and then we just fill this page with basic and simple information. All we need to do is give it a name, and as you can see, the subdomain of our store will be taken automatically from the name, and we also can change that if you are not comfortable with it, or we can just leave it as it stands. And for the packs, we have three packs. We have the startup and the professional and the business packs, as well as four subscribes: the monthly, the quarterly, the semesterly, and the yearly subscribes. And in the last step here, we have the discount code. If you have any, you can just write it down here, verify it, and then when we are done with filling the informations, we can just confirm and our store will be created. So we have here also a lot of options that will make your experience much easier on storeino.com. So let's say we want to add a new role. All you need to do is click on users and then click on roles, and then this button here, click on add new role, and you are free to give it a name and then just choose the permissions that you want to give this person, and just click on confirm and your role will be created. You can also add a new user to your store. You just need to fill this basic information, and also you can edit the role and give it whatever role you feel comfortable with, and just click on confirm as you need to do. Here we have the invoices, and you choose any payment method you feel comfortable with to pay your invoice. Here we have multiple payment methods, and also we have a discount code if you have any code, and just click on confirm and it will be sent to our servers. Here we have also the payments, where you can manage all the payments that go through your store. And for the domains here, you can change the domain, or you can add new ones, as well as editing anything that is related with your store domain. Here we have the support, and if you are facing any technical problems, you can just create a ticket, describe your problem here, and our team will make sure that they assist you with the best they can do. And for the last button here, we have the affiliate button, which is a new one. Here you can create an affiliate account, and you can get money from get a commission from affiliating our platform, and you can withdraw your money when you reach the goal. So let's create an affiliate account. It's just a one click, and here you have everything that is related with your affiliate account. So let's say we want to go back, we just click on log out, and it will take you to the main page of your store.